Hey folks, it's Abel. We're on a cliff looking at ancient rock art left by, we believe, the Fremont people. We're in Dinosaur National Park, but even considering that, it's quite rare to see rock art that features lizards, where in real life that thing's got to be 6 feet long, and it almost makes it look like they're climbing up these cliffs. Now, some of the only other animals that they bothered to turn into shapes on the cliff, bighorn sheep, but those are some massive lizards in a place that used to have dinosaurs. I wonder what used to be roaming when some of the ancient humans were here. Not that I'm saying dinosaurs and humans coexisted, but think about it. We've got 14-foot alligators in Florida and big ass crocodiles and all that. We don't even think about it. Komodo dragons, but who knows? They were definitely living in a different world. Now, coexisting with all of this, you also can see some humanoid figures. Kind of looks like a shaman or an alien. You decide.